so I'm going to review the Nerf Rapid Strike CS18. It's a new gun, but I know I didn't get the Rhino Fire. It's an early video that I made, but the reason why I didn't get the Rhino Fire is I just wanted to get the Rapid Strike. So next time, like after 1 week, the second week I'm getting it on Monday. Nerf Rhino Fire. But anyways, here are of a boxing and review of the brand new Nerf Rapid Strike CS18. So now we're gonna open it. So this is the box looks. Front of the box. So now we're gonna open it. Let's open it from here. You need to cut it. You don't need to cut it. Open it like with scissors. Okay. This box looks amazing. Wow. How's this coming off? Rapid Strike. Now just like it's a rubbing gun, so it loads up to 18 bullets. Sorry. Here's the 18 bullets, 18 darts. Not the bullets, 18 darts. And clip out. Here's a 2-bit clip. And now we're going to take out the gun. And let's scratch it. Here's the gun. Pretty cool gun. This is steel stick here. Pretty cool gun. I don't know if this, it comes down and it's anything. Has it has 5 sights. So like, if you hold this, go like that, and put it in just like that. Then it will come in, and then you can pull it like that. So has one sling adapter here. I don't know if this is a sling adapter, but these, yeah, it looks pretty cool. You can close it. Okay, you need a screwdriver and supposed to put 6D batteries. The gun loads up to 6D batteries. No, not 6D batteries, 4D batteries. So I have 4D batteries. No, not D batteries, C4D batteries. C D batteries. So, ow. Here is 1. Here is 2, 3, and 4. There. So that's 4 C4 batteries, or the C batteries, and it just tells you the batteries right here. If it says 4X, then get, or if it says 6S, then 6X, then get 6. The clip is pretty cool, like once you load it in. Looks awesome. awesome. Cool blaster. I like it. Pretty cool gun. But only thing I don't know is where the batteries go. So yeah. Now okay, Dad! Dad! Simran, where do the batteries go? Okay, anyways, I don't know where the batteries go, but here you have the Rapid Strike. Actually, I don't really know where the batteries go, but that's the Rapid Strike. It comes with 18 elite darts. So yeah. But my dad's in the washroom, so yeah. Okay. Here, open the 18 darts. You can reload them when you want. Okay. Put this right here. I'm just gonna reload the gun for you. I'm just gonna show you how it looks. Put them in it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 darts. By the way, it's a revving gun. So how you work it is hold and just shoot. You have to hold this and shoot. Pretty cool gun. It has one tactical grill. No, not one. It has 5 tactical grills. Pretty cool. And one here, one here, one here, one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and one at the bottom, 5. Sharon, can you call Dad? Can you call Dad?
Wait, Roger.
So that's for the Rapid Strike. Pretty cool gun. It's I think Strong Arm used to be my favorite gun. I think the Rapid Strike is my favorite gun now. It's pretty cool, but guns like as you can see the jam door is right at the top. So open it. Close it. Open it. Dad! Come here! He's coming, but this is for the Rapid Strike. And by the way, this dude's teeth are so yellow, as you can see. They're really yellow. I don't think he brushed, but yeah. At the back, it shows the strife. I have that. Shows the rough cut. I have that. I have the leaf version. But the old one has like an orange one. This one has a white one. White one looks pretty. Looks way better. It feels like pretty comfortable from here. Yeah. So I don't care. Whatever. Anyway, the Rapid Strike looks like this. And yeah, that's it for the video, but I'm not gonna put the batteries in, but yeah. If I know, I'll tell you where the batteries go. So anyways, subscribe and please leave a view and a like and a comment.